Everyone, uh, on the behalf of AYM Yoga School, my name is Dr. Mahesh, and I'm teaching from last many years. And especially, I would like to say, I found this school very established, and well organized. Even the study material and the guidance of every teacher is very well there. And I'm saying this, as Maheshji already know, I'm teaching in many other schools, but I'm saying about AYM only because I have felt it. The environment, the premises of this school is biggest as well. No one have this environment around in Rishikesh, the one especially. Second thing, you all are here for yoga, for learning. And I just want to say one thing. I believe in this theory. Maybe you believe, you don't believe, I don't know that. I believe in past life and the impressions of past life. We all are sitting here and you came from different background. I have heard one girl have seen one YouTube broadcast and then she realize about this school. You all came from different background and different world, different areas of the world. Why you all chosen this yoga school together with us? Actually, we all have met before in the past life and we all are carrying some impressions. Whoever you meet in your life, there is a purpose behind it, there is a reason behind it. And we all are here together to finish the purpose. So I don't call you as my student, I call you as my relatives from the past lives. So first of all, I want to welcome all my relatives at AYM Yoga School, right? Second thing, you thought you choose yoga for yourself. Remember, yoga is not just a practice of asana, it's a journey of spirituality, it's a wisdom. It's even not a knowledge, it's a wisdom. And remember, wisdom, even knowledge, even wealth, even health, or miracles in your hand, as he said, I want to heal something, or awakening Kundalini and all, it comes to you only once you are ready. If you thought you choose in yoga, that's secondary, you choose also, but that's secondary, yoga choose you first. That's why you are here. Yoga chosen you because nature found at some point you are ready. So now the process is started. But when process is started, Patanjali said, Ath Yoga Anushasanam. Yoga begins with the tradition that already followed in the past. In simple word, you can say yoga begins with the discipline. Right? So we all need to be disciplined with the self to practice yoga. You are chosen. Now nature keep checking you. Are you still ready or not? So maybe little up and down happens in your body. So don't worry about it. Just accept and explore. Right? This is what I want to say. I don't want to make you a lot bored. Thank you so much. Namaste.